Hey guys, welcome back. JP here. So, we are going to assemble the JD's Garage DIY CNC plasma table. As you can see, we got them all sprayed, all painted up. On this episode, we're just going to kind of throw the frame together, kind of start getting the pieces fitted together. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's mine with the casters. As you can tell, I based just kind of the overall color of my machine based on the casters I ordered. So I found a very close matching orange. So figured, why not? So now we're going to start assembling.
A little intermission. This bolt just didn't want to line perfectly up. Ended up snapping on me. These are, I went ahead and built this entire thing with stainless. Spent the extra money. So I'll have to run down to the hardware store and get another 3-inch stainless for that. But here's it so far. We're going to get the other pipe on. Alright, you guys, here it is. We'll loosen some of this back up, square it up with a square. I just wanted to kind of get it quickly assembled, you know, with the weight on here, kind of making sure this rolls easily. My paint is an oil-based paint. I painted it yesterday, but it's a little sticky still, so it kind of catches up, but it'll wear itself in. You see, we got to square it up a little bit because we're off a little on these legs, so we'll square it all up with a digital angle, and then we'll replace this one broken bolt, and then we'll finish capping that. We got the caps on these. We'll probably pop the caps back off. I just wanted to give you guys kind of an overall look of how she looks. So, anyways, stay tuned for more of this DIY plasma table build from JD's Garage here at JP Street and Performance. Thanks for watching.